Hello friends, in the previous video, I explained to you what is the product list. And now, I will explain how to prepare a good list, or how to make our product list more attractive by having a look at good and bad product list examples. What are the product list sections? Photos, a title, bullet points, a description, reviews. Let's start with a bad product list. Helium Guide gave 6.14 on the 10 for this product. What are the problems with this product? Firstly, it has only 4 photos. There must be at least 7 photos. The photos size are 831 to 1500 pixels. Photos must be at least 1000 to 1000 pixels. There are 51 characters in the title. There must be at least 150 characters. There must be at least 5 bullet points with good explanation, and the description section must include at least 1000 characters. Let's have a look at these sections. For example, the title is not good, honestly. They didn't use enough keywords. There must be at least 150 characters. When you look at the photo section, the second photo is a bigger version than the first one. There is no information about the product size. These are important knowledge for us. There must be 2 to 3 infographics photos due to give as an opinion about the product heaviness, sizes, and where can it's suitable for putting. And there must be a photo about its function in life. For example, look at this photo on the screen. It was taken at home, however, half the picture is missing. The photo with a wardrobe is a little bit better, however. There must be 2 to 3 more photos related to this product. There must be photos which show the function of the product at home. These kinds of photos are missing. That is why it is not a good photo choice for the product listing. The zoom in is possible for the photos, but one size of them was small for zoom in. Let's have a look at the bullet points. There are more than 5 bullet points, but they are all short. There is not enough information about the product's description. The bullet points are short and just including 50 to 60 characters. The explanation in detail will be useful, surely. Let's have a look at the product's description section. Honestly, it is better than the sections on the top. They mention the functions, different models, the properties of the product, in detail. Actually, if they had used these information on the top section, it would be better. Because fewer people go to the bottom of the page. Let's have a look at the reviews and rating section. This product has 253 reviews. It is good. However, the rating is 3.8 on the 5, which is not good. The rating must be at least 4 on the 5. Thereby we can think negatively for this product on the point of the reviews. The 3.8 on the 5 isn't enough high for us. It must be at least 4 on the 5. This is a bad product list instance for us. Let's continue on another bad product list instance. We'll pass the list from bad to good one by one. For example, this product, there is only one photo about the chandelier. We can't understand the size of the product from only this photo. The supplier should have shown the size of the chandelier on a photo. Even, the size should have written on the photo. The function of the product should have been shown, for example, in a room. Because we'd like to see the appearance. In this way, it might be reasonable to give decision if the chandelier is suitable to our room. There must be at least 7 photos, however. They uploaded only 1 photo. Let's have a look at the title. There are 70 characters maximum. There must be at least 150 characters in the title. Let's look at the reviews rating. It is 3.7 average. We have said there must be at least 4 on the 5. In keywords, it seems that the product has some problems. Let's look at the product description. There must be at least 5 bullet points, and they have filled. It looks nice. Let's have a look at the product description section, bottom of the page. They have written only 2 lines of text. It is too short for the product description. Therefore, they didn't write a good description. Let's look at the another one. There is only 1 photo. This photo is also making customers confused. Is the top piece or the bottom piece included? Which is the real product for selling? It is not clear. Amazon wants only the product that is sold should be in the first photo, nothing else. And the background color should be white. White font might help you to go to the further. They uploaded a photo with the function directly. Besides, there is only one photo. As we said, there must be at least 7 photos which are qualified. They should have zoom in property. I am clicking on this photo, but I am unable to make zoom in, thus the size is short. Let me look at the size of the product. It is 500 to 500 pixels. There must be at least 7 photos and 2 of them must be HD and big enough for zoom in. It means 1000 to 1000 pixels. These will be great for us. Let's have a look at the title. All the characters in the title should be uppercase. Only the first letter of keywords should be uppercase. The keywords like for and should have written lowercase. Besides, as you see, the title consists 70 to 80 characters. The title must be optimized too. In order to get more indexed, the title should consist at least 150 characters. We should use the most used, search, and sold keywords in the title. In this way, we can go further and sell more. They have written 5 units of bullet points, however all of them are just one line, so it is not enough description. Let's have a look at the product description. The product description has only 3 lines. When you look at the description for this product, you can see the ones who didn't use any HTML code. We are writing the text and coding by HTML. In this way, the section is looking better and tidy. For this product, it has been written directly without any HTML code. It's obvious. For example, after the point of the sentence, the new line should start from the beginning below the sentence. It shouldn't cover the line completely, it should continue from the below. Some of them should have written by bold to seem better. They didn't do that. It is not a good product description. Let's have a look at another product. The same things are all available here too. It is not possible to understand what the product is from the photo. Amazon wants the users to add only the product's photo at the first photo, and we want to see the other photos to understand the function, size, more information about the using of the product. So photos are important for us because we are neither see this product in real, not touching. Therefore, the photos should have been added wonderfully. The title hasn't optimized, so it is not good. There are 4 units in the bullet points. There must be more, at least 5 units. Let's have a look at the product description, which bottom of the page. The description is just only 3 lines, and without HTML coding. Because of not using the HTML, the section is looking like only 1 line. Let's continue and have a look for the next product. For this product, there are bags, but not detailed importation about them. There is only 1 photo, and there is nothing about the function and sizes at the photo. It is not a good product list. At the title, there are only 5 to 6 keywords. It wasn't optimized. There are 3 bullet points. We were saying there must be at least 5 bullet points. They wrote down imported in the bullet point section. It is pretty absurd. Let's have a look at the product description. There is only 1 line, and the explanation is pretty bad. It is a product that is sold not enough. Let's move on for the next one. We are gradually going to the list of good products. This product was one of the products we decided to sell. They wrote a pretty long, detailed title with good explanation. When you look at the helium score for the product, you can see that the product is matched with all the criteria. What did we say about the photos? The main photo's background color should be white. There must be photos of the product's function in life. There are the photos of the functions. There must be infographic photos of the product. In keywords, its sizes, it is related how to set the product up, how it is packing or packed. There are good photos. We can understand the product's function by looking at this photo. The product list seems has been prepared goodly. There must be 1 main photo, 3 life function photos, and 3 infographic photos. At infographic photos, the background color should be white and the explanation must be detailed. Let's move on for the bullet points. There are 5 bullet points and their explanation properly. However, we should write the bullet points title section this uppercase. For example, portable and lightweight has been written lowercase. We'll write these kinds of title with uppercase like the attention keyword. In keywords, we make the bullet points title different than the explanations in order to make the customer see the properties of the product directly. Let's continue and have a look at the product description section. This product has a trademark registration. Thereby, it is possible to write a text with a photo like on the screen. We can see how the product is using the photo. It is pretty nice. And the explanation is already written goodly. They have explained their important properties at the key features section. It looks pretty nice. There is a photo which shows the function in life and an explanation. It looked pretty nice. The product has 169 reviews and the rating is over 4. It is pretty normal that this product has been selling goodly because it has a good product list. Why a product list important? What we were saying that about it. The product list is the most important criteria to make customer buy our product. Let's move on for the another good list. This product was one of our product. The title has at least 150 characters. It is good. Explanations and which one has how many. You can see these information at the photos. It has been explaining the life functions of the product. For example, the gender reveal parties. Even they have 2 more photos. There must be at least 7 photos, but they have 9 photos. You can upload maximum 10 photos. Photo section is pretty good. As I mentioned before, in the bullet point section, they have been written the properties uppercase and the descriptions are lowercase. We'll write like this. The main properties will be written uppercase, descriptions will be lowercase. Let's have a look at the product description section. The product description section has been prepared goodly. The product doesn't has a trademark registration, so there is only text. However, the section has been designed by the HTML. So, it looked pretty nice. How we can understand HTML was used in the section. The sentences are in a line, some of them have been written bold. The section is looking properly. The HTML is providing all of these. But the previous one didn't use the HTML, and its section wasn't looking properly. With HTML you can make a list like on the screen. I will explain to you how to make it. I wanted to show how it looks properly. The reviews and the ranking is pretty good. The product's ranking rate is 4.5 on the 5, and it has 236 reviews. It is important that have reviews which have photos and which show the function in life. Besides, if you can get reviews which have videos, would be more effective. Let's move on for the another good list. At the main photo it is generally not allowed to write this kind of upgraded or something like this, however you can write the product's properties. Amazon want only the product's photo at the main photo. So it's useful to do that. The infographic photos are good, uploading photos with explanations. What kind of properties it has. It has been showing at the photos. It might be better to explain the product's function related to dogs. The photo with Photoshop is unacceptable. The photos might have 3D rendering, but it should be like a Photoshop work. They are designing and publishing the Photoshop work, but it is not useful. The product's properties showing will be more useful. The title of the product seems good. It has 145 characters, it is good anyway, and Helium has given 8.71 for this product. There is a little problem with the title, and the ranking is a little bit low. The reviews ranking is 3.8. The bullet point section is good. Can you see there are dog emoji in the bullet point section? Let me zoom in. Normally these kind of emoji are forbidden. We don't use. This kind of emoji will hamper you to go further on the first page. So I advise you to use the points, not emoji. Using emoji is not useful, even it is harmful. We have tried them anyway. The lists which used emoji is staying at the back of the page. Let's have a look at the product description. The product has a trademark registration, so they have prepared a product description section with photos. They have showed the general dog's problems. What might be better if they use this product, and before-after section have been used too? The reviews ranking is 3.8. It is not good. It would be a better product list if the ranking could be 4. Let's continue. For this product the functions has been explained properly. All the photos have white background color and photos with functions in the life. In How to Use section, it is explaining how to use step by step. It is a good instance. For infographic photo, it is really good show all steps. Besides any other things, there is a video. I can say that this method increase at least 5%. The selling rates. To upload a video, you should have a trademark registration. When you have it, don't forget to upload videos. The videos is a property which has been liked by customers because it gives detailed info about the product. Customers might buy the product by watching the videos. If they can't understand the product from photos, they can understand better from videos. Thereby, videos is more important, we should know that. Normally all the first letters of the keywords must be uppercase, they didn't adjust them. It's a problem. They should have done. And it seems a bit shorter for me. Let's have a look how many characters are there. 94 characters, as we said before, there must be at least 150 characters. Let me look at the bullet points. It seems good with long explanation. It is the same with what I said. There is no emoji, the properties section have been written uppercase, and the detailed texts lowercase. The bullet points section has been prepared properly. Let's look at the product description. There are good descriptions with photos in this section. They explained how it works step by step. It looks nice. You must do this at the first step, and second, you should do this so on, customers want, and like this kind of explanations. Actually, the important one is video section. They explained each detail in the video already, so let's have a look at the video. They showed how to use it in the video. So we can understand how to use it from the video. So videos are effective although the photos isn't enough to explain to use. It is an instance of a good product list. So in this video, we have seen the differences between good and bad product list. I showed to you some good and some bad product lists. In this way, you could understand what should you have for a good list. I already told you why the list is important. The reason is make the customer who have a look at our product buy the product. If your product hasn't a good selling rate, you should control your product list. If customers who have a look at your page don't buy the product, there must be some problems. We should fix them. We should prepare a product list while starting with a new product. The most important thing is using the keywords. The keywords that have good selling rate. We should use them in the product list. Thereby, in the next episode, we'll learn how to make detailed analyses for keywords. And how to use these keywords at each sections in the product list. See you in the next episode.